Sportix. The 32MC Sportix 3D.
Hey! Someone wants to say hi to you. Klaus?
Do we know each other?
I think so.
I don't remember, ma'am.
The magic of the Wizards of the Black Circle has vanished. Open your mind.
69Z Sportix 3D.
Hi, Dad.
Hey!
Someone wants to say hi to you. Klaus?
Do we know each other?
I think so.
I don't remember, ma'am.
The magic of the Wizards of the Black Circle has vanished. Open your mind.
Hi. Team for Top Legend Hobby Speed Fresh here. Bought 2 of my electric planes. I was gonna bring my 20cc Mustang to go maiden. Still too windy, man. So I'm about to cut it for the day, man. I promise you I will maiden it. I promise you. I know everybody been counting on me and they've been saying I got a comment on my YouTube channel. I promise you I will maiden it. But right now, it's just too windy. It's been windy about a month, man. But I'm not gonna lose another one though. This is my 3rd one, so I'm just leave it alone. So I bought my 2 electric planes with me. Sporty, 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 sporty. P-51 Mustang, Toyota trucks, Home Depot. All right, try this again. There you go. Gotta watch out for my canopy. Don't want the canopy to fly off again. This plane's so fast. I love it. Party! It's summer! This is what I want. P-51. Yes, sir. This is what I want. This is what I want. Yes, sir! Ah! Did it again! Look at that! I got too low! Hey, that's what you want? Is that what you want? I got too low for you! Man, I just got a new pop and broke it again. Woo! That was awesome. It was funny. Don't worry about that, guys. I'll get another one. I'll get another pop. Guys, look what they made me do. They told me, lower down. Look what I did. Look what I did. Let me check the wing. Oh, the wing is fine. Oh, the wing ain't that bad. I'm just gonna go through it some damage. Yeah, I definitely tore that up. Wing's not too bad though. I can put a patch on it. It ain't too bad. Oh, I got some of the wing too. Means I can pull that out of there. A little screw got stuck in there. Look at that. Look at that. A little screw got stuck in there. A little hex screw got stuck in the ring. That ain't nothing. I'll also get that fixed. Just a little boo-boo. Just a boo-boo right here. Laying on the scoop. I got too low. I broke another 4-blade prop. And I just got it. I just got the new 4-blade prop. Check the shaft. Hopefully the shaft is not bent. If the shaft is bent, I'll just replace the shaft. Don't worry about this. This got the rate on there. So that's what it's there for. I'll get a new fuselage and I'll just rebuild it. It ain't nothing, guys. You see, it ain't nothing. It ain't nothing. That's the first time I did it, guys. They told me, lower down, lower team for top of speed fresh, lower. And then guess what? They got what they want. It's part of the hobby, man. Shit happens. But don't worry about it, though. I'll get another one. Yeah, for the P-51D Mustang. 1.2 meter. Go Team Horizon! This is what I want, Sportix. This is what I want. Yeah, baby, yeah. This is what I want, Sportix. All right, Jay, get ready to take off now. Go ahead. I got 2 minutes left. You know that Sportix can't beat that jet. That jet's way faster than the Sportix. Way faster. Wide over the grass. Alright, I'm landing. Time to put her down. Perfect landing. Sportix all the way, baby. I love the Sportix. It's Sportix, baby. Sporty, 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 Sportix. Okay. Okay. Sportix. That's what I want. New Sportix. Well, guys, I've been at the Sportix 1.1M for 3 months now. 3 months. It's been 3 months, and this is the number 22nd flight. I still always land better, baby. It's this wind. Oh yeah, it's windy. Pop top, baby. Don't try that, guys. That was dangerous. Lucky I got out of there. I saved it. Now start. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. We're gonna shake out. I'm gonna shake my booty right now. One more time. Oh hell no. Right there. I just shook my booty. Woo. Go Team Horizon. Sportix. Oh, Sportix gone. Oh yeah, it's gone. I'm gonna land. I'm gonna do that again. Let's do that again. Sportix. Damn, that Sportix gone. All right, let's do it again. It's a little car spin. I'm gonna use my left rudder just a little bit. Let's do that again. Let's do that again. We're gonna keep doing it. We're gonna keep doing it, guys. I'm just practicing. It's alright, a little bouncy, land a little bit. It's alright. I always land better than that anyway. Sporty. Let's do it again. No, we're doing it again. Do it again, Team Horizon. Sportix. Dude, I love the Sportix, guys. It gets me hyper. It always cheers me up a bit, every time. Oh. One more time. You're about to get ready to take off any minute. I'm gonna do it one more time. Just touch and go. time to land. Got 45 seconds. Oh, he's checking the fuel tank. He got a fuel tank leak on Ultra Flash Evo. Take off again. That's the 25th flight on the Sportix. Refuel. Sporty, 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 Sportix. That was close. GoPro camera's on, make sure it's recording. Oh yeah, it's recording. Sporty, 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 Sportix. It's definitely a crosswind, guys. Like this new trick, guys? Man, it's so bumpy. It's got to be careful. Team for Topper style, baby. That's what Team for Topper style rolls. That's what Team for Topper style do, boys. Don't want to get too close to the pilot's booth. I'm gonna keep it over the grass. I got somebody coming taking off right now. Do it one more time. Got 1 minute. And that's the 26th flight on the Sportix. And I'm almost there to 30 flights. Okay. Ooh, look at that Cessna. That's a nice looking plane. That's my favorite plane. Cessna. You better start. Look at the Sportix. Cessna and the Sportix, baby. I ain't gonna take off. I'm gonna keep it over the grass real quick. Keep it over the grass. Okay, you clear? I got 56 seconds. All right, the Cessna's took off. Says nothing sporty, says nothing sporty, sporty, says nothing 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 sporty. That's one says nothing sporty. Alright, time to bring the Sportix down. Landing! Crosswind's picking up. One way clear. Nice. Subscribe. Hey, Tusky Airman's back. Here it is. Back in business, baby. The 32MZ, the Tusky Airman. The Tusky Airman's back. The Tusky Airman. Tusky Airman is back. Tusky Airman's back, baby.